In this video, we're going to discuss a new feature that Google Classroom threw in towards the middle of the pandemic for students. So it is called the To-Do List, and this is a very easy way to find out which assignments you have turned in, which ones are missing, things like that. So up at the three lines at the top up by Google Classroom, if you click on those, you will notice that there is a to-do list right before all of your classes. So if I go to the to-do list, it will bring up all my classes and show me that here's my missing work and what date it is due. Here is some work that I have that has no due date, and then it can also break it down. This is due Monday and this is due Tuesday, and if I had more, I could do that. I can also sort this by my class. So if I only want to see what's due in a particular class, I can click on that class, or I can click on like test 2 has no work, so it says woohoo, no work to do. But I'm going to go back to my test class. I can also see from here what work is done. So it will say that this was turned in, and you'll notice use this one was actually turned in and it has a grade. So I could actually, any of these are live links. So if I want to, I can actually click on the link and it will take me to that particular assignment. So it will take me to this particular assignment. It will show me that I got 4 points. It will also show me that I have 2 private comments over here that I can look at. And then if I want to look and see if I have any more comments, I'm going to click on that document and it will show up and it will show me my document. Okay, so I can do that, and that's what the to-do list looks like in your classwork part of your world. So that's the to-do list. It's a very powerful list. It will show you anything that is due, missing, or late. So that's to do in Google Classroom.